Good morning. A new delivery from Train World just arrived last night, so I'm excited to get this open and find out what we got. Let's get started. The packing list on the outside of the box, we'll try to keep from losing that. That's never a good idea. There we go. Check that out later. And now, let's see if we can get her opened up. Got to be a little bit careful cutting into this because I don't want to cut into the products inside. But I think we can get her open. There we go. Train World does a good job of packing. The merchandise always comes in good condition. Lots of bubble wrap on the inside here, which is a good thing. We get the box out of the way. And then we've got the inner packaging. So we'll get this open and get out what we've got here. This is one of the things that I thought would be a big addition to the layout. It's scenic accents. These are parking meters, fire hydrants, a mailbox from an earlier era, a couple of park benches, manhole covers, and a telephone booth, which you don't see much anymore. So those are going to go on the layout as soon as I can get them there, and that should be a good addition. I've got fancy fins, another O-scale automobile. This is one I didn't have. So this kind of gives me all of the O-scale automobiles from Woodland Scenics. On this, the headlights and the tail lights will light up once that I have this wired and put it in its final position. Not sure just where I'll put it yet, so we'll just set it aside for now. The rest of these are duplicates of vehicles I already have. So question that I've got for you is, can these be painted? Have any of you taken these and painted them? And if so, what did you use to paint them with, and how did they turn out? I'm a little bit leery about going ahead and trying to paint these. I'm afraid I'll get paint on the windows and on the chrome and all kinds of places where it shouldn't be. But since I already have these in this color, it would be kind of cool if I could paint them and put them on the layout in a different color so they look a little bit different. But if you've had any experience with that or know about painting these, I'd really appreciate a comment. Let me know what you know about that. This is the City Classic. It kind of looks like an old early Mercury, but the front end looks kind of more like a Kaiser. The heavy hauler truck is kind of a generic stake bed truck. That's going to be pretty cool once it's on there. All these will be great. What else did I get here? Oh, I got two of these. Didn't realize it. Work truck. I definitely need to think about trying to paint this because I've already got one, and now two more would be like three of the same thing. If I could paint these, that would really make a difference in the way the layout works. So that's it. That's what we received from Train World. As always, everything arrived in great condition. Prices were good. These are all Woodland Scenics products, but I bought them from Train World because Train World frankly had the best price at the time, and all of the stuff was available from Train World. So that's it. That's my haul from Train World for today. Appreciate a comment if you know anything about painting these items, these vehicles, and I appreciate your time today. Please be sure to like this video, click the thumbs up down below and like it, click subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'll look forward to the next video with you. Thanks for watching.